Hey tartelettes, it's Jen, and today I'm going to get ready using some of my favorite Shape Tape products. So for those of you who aren't familiar with our Shape Tape line, our concealer was the first product to launch. This put this whole collection on the map. This concealer is no joke. It's just incredible. It really conceals, covers unlike any other concealer. Then we expanded into foundations, and we've got two versions of Shape Tape foundation. We've got the Shape Tape Matte Foundation and the Shape Tape Hydrating. Today, I'm going to be using the Hydrating because my skin's pretty dry. When I was pregnant, it was really oily, so I would have used the matte version, but now it's back to its old ways, and I need that hydrating version. And this version is infused with hyaluronic acid, which holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water. So if you need intense hydration, this is the foundation for you. Now for those of you looking for the foundation closer to the concealer, that would be the matte version. This one is full coverage, it goes on beautifully, and it just looks like your skin. It gives you this flawless finish. Well, they both give you a flawless finish. I'm gonna apply the hydrating version today. So what's also great about this foundation is the applicator. I can't tell you how much I love this because I hate squeezing things out, putting it on the back of my hand. My hand's all dirty now. If I touch something else or go in my makeup bag and forget, my makeup bag's a mess. This is like a mess-free foundation, and it's just beautiful. It's a big applicator too, so you can get a lot of coverage with this. It's really nice, and I'm just gonna apply it right now. So I like to just draw it all over my face. It is so much fun. And then we're gonna buff it out with our Shaper Contour Sponge. And you can just see this foundation gives beautiful coverage. It looks like my skin. It's not heavy. It just looks really natural. And I love that. Now we're moving on to my favorite part, the Shape Tape Contour Concealer. I like to put this all over my eye, underneath the lid and under the brow bone. I really feel like it just helps brighten and intensify my shadow when I put it over top, and it kind of locks it on. You can see that just knocked out any discoloration. It brightened my entire eye area, and now it's a great base for my shadow. All right, now it's time to contour. We've got a beautiful base. It looks so natural, so nice, and now we're just gonna intensify those features with a little bit of contouring. I'm using the shade Angle from our Park Ave Princess Bronzer Bar, and it's that second shade right here. It's a nice warm tone for me, so I like to use that. And just look how beautiful everything blends over the Shape Tape. I love it. It doesn't grab, it just glides right over. This is like the best foundation. I'm sorry, but it's the best foundation. I'm not currently using the matte version, but the matte version is just as good. It's vegan, it's oil-free, and it also keeps your skin hydrated while looking matte. So that's a win too. All right, now I'm gonna contour using that same shade Angle. Moving on to eyes, I'm taking the shade Force of Nature from our Tartelette palette. Now, taking that shade Best Friend, I'm going to apply that all over the outer corner and the outer corner of the lower lash line. Now I'm going to mix the shades Free Spirit and Supermom and apply that to the inner corner, bringing it to meet that shade Best Friend. Look how good that shadow looks on top of that Shape Tape. I'm sorry, but it just made it bolder, brighter, and more intense, and I love it. Now I'm going to do my lashes. I'm going to apply a couple coats of my favorite Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara. It's going to curl, lengthen, volumize, and condition my lashes. Okay, so I just applied a couple coats of my favorite Quench Lip Rescue in clear, and I am done. I am ready to go. I don't know where I'm going, but wherever I'm going, I'm ready. Now for those of you who are still skeptical about the power of Shape Tape, I'm going to do a little application on my birthmark, which is on my temple, and I'm going to show you how it gets rid of it like that. For remove my makeup so you can see it. There's a lot of redness right here. This is my birthmark, and I'm just gonna cover it with Shape Tape so you can see. I'm sorry, what birthmark? Yeah, it's gone. All right, tartelettes, if you haven't joined Shape Tape Nation yet, now is the time. I honestly don't know what you're waiting for. These products are available at Ulta Beauty and on Tarte.com. And remember, if you've got dry skin, the hydrating version is for you. And if you've got oily skin, the matte version is gonna be your best friend. And luckily, the concealer works for all skin types, so everyone can use this and you're going to fall in love. All right, tartelettes, thank you so much for watching. And until next time, mwah, take care.